Guess what? I found it. What the heck? Wow. Understand why it was on sale now, huh? What's good in the hood, y'all? It's your boy back again with another video, and today I got in front of me, it's a box filled with a mini keyboard. Okay, it's not filled with a mini keyboard, but it's inside of it is a mini keyboard, as you can see right here. By AKAI. So yeah, what I've been using to make beats before was this one right here. This one is just your regular Korg, I guess, mini keyboard. Bam. This was pretty cool, but I needed something with like the drum pads, like to with these nods right here to make the sounds different. This one has like just your standard, a little I don't even know what it's called, man. But yeah, I'm still new to this industry, so I'm trying to upgrade my gear and trying to pursue and music and making videos more often for you guys, you know what I'm saying, and for myself as well, because I want to expand my knowledge and my skills. Okay, enough of me talking, let's get into the box, because this is my first time and I purchased it on sale, so I'm pretty happy about that. So me and you guys are going to be looking at this thing together. Let's go. Trust me, don't do this on me. Voila! Wow! Oh yeah, by the way, this one is a special edition. This one's special edition right here. So yeah, it's the black and white version. They had like a regular version and the all red version, but I kind of want this one. So inside you get the MIDI keyboard itself. You also get the cable, the power cable to power it up. Alright, let's get to this baby right here. The reason why I like this one a little bit better is because it's more compact. So it fits on my desk perfectly. It doesn't take up too much room. If I need, I can put it away, stash it away, and then if I need, I'll just pull it right out and just use it. You know what I'm saying? So let's get into it. It's actually really nice. I should have went with the regular, just because it has more colors. But when you power it up, it should light up with colors anyways. Wow, hang on, this is my first time seeing this in person. Well, second time, because my brother has one also. But dang, this is nice. It's really light. I believe this is like your standard starting off, so that's pretty cool. You got the jump pads, knobs are here. That's pretty cool. Got these buttons, on, off, tempo. I don't know. I honestly don't know what any of these do, but I'm gonna be, playing around with this, looking up tutorials, and I'll learn as well. You know what I'm saying? Oh, I don't even want to take this off yet, but I'll do it for the sake of the video. Oh my god! Oh, I'll just put that away. That is so nice. Oh. Yeah. Oh, what? I'm missing a... Wow. Whoops. I'm missing one already. Are you kidding me right now? Let's see that I dropped somewhere. Guess what? I found it. What the heck? Wow. Oh well. I understand why it was on sale now, huh? Oh, much better, man. Okay, side-by-side comparison with my other one, my old one. It's a little dusty. See that? You see how this one fits on the table like perfectly, and then this one just like, yeah. So like on my desk that I'm building right now for my studio, my music part of my studio, I needed some more room, so I needed a new keyboard for that, or a MIDI keyboard. I might be still using this one, or I might be selling it. I'm not quite sure what I'm gonna do with that, but yeah. So this is the unboxing of this MIDI keyboard from AKAI MPK Mini, whatever, And yeah, stay tuned, because my studio will be completed afterwards, and I'll show you the whole setup and stuff like that. Alright guys, so you guys be safe, take it easy, and I'll see you guys in the future. Please drop a like and a comment, please. Deuces! You know what I mean? You do it.